Hi everybody, it's me again, and now I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to set up the right Eclipse package structure for this course. This is continuation of the previous two installation session for Eclipse video. So let's begin. Firstly, I'm going to open Eclipse and create a Java project. I'm going to name it Introduction to Computer Science, but only with the first letters because the whole name is too long for Eclipse. And again, the settings are important. Here should be Java SE 11 for the purposes of that module. And what I do is I uncheck the create module info Java file. And I'm going to finish that. So this is our project. Now I'm going to create the package structure. This is really fast and easy. So I'm going to right click the source folder, go to new and select package. In order to create the package hierarchy in Eclipse, you should separate the package names with dot. You can directly do it while creating the first package. So the right structure is nl dot u20 dot bit dot ics, and this is the package structure. Now we are going to create the packages for the first assignment and for the second Java assignment. Again, I'm going to press new and select the package. Now I'm going to add the extension for the first assignment, which is going to be week 3 or assignment 1. And after that, I'm going to do the same for the next week, which is again dot week 6 or assignment 2. So this is mainly the way how you can create your package structure in Eclipse. If you have more questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment or ask a TA